Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, you can smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually get easemoni-loan app downloaded to your mobile device. And probably you have been searching on Google Play Store to see if this app actually exists on Google Play Store, but at the end of the day you can't actually find it on Google Play Store, or also you try to find it through Google search as well, so you might end up not seeing the app. So I'm gonna show you where you can actually find the app and also apply for loan on easemoni, and you'll be able to get at least from 1 million plus loan from the app. But literally the app we are going to use is Opay mobile app. So on the Opay mobile app you'll be able to have access to easemoni-loan app. So once you have the Opay app on your phone, so you can download it for either Android device or Apple device. So any of the two is actually makes sense. So after that, make sure you register and input all your details in the app to make sure everything is intact. So after that, you will see there is 5 icons here down below, which is filter. So you have home, you have reward, you have finance, you have cards, and you have me. So for the rewards, you'll be able to see your rewards. For the finance, you'll be able to see some futures. So as you can see here, for rewards, so you see these are the rewards that I've gotten so far. So I've gotten like 126 cashback rewards, which I have got so far. So there is finance as well. So you can see on this finance, you can see that it is money on this feature, and you can also see all cash as well. But literally you can actually find all cash app on Google Play Store, literally. But for easemoni, this is the right way for you to find easemoni loan app. So the first page you'll see is this page. So then you can see loan on the right side here. So you just navigate to loan. So you're able to see easemoni and all cash. So from there you'll be able to navigate to easemoni. So here you see the home page here. So the easemoni app was powered by Blue Ridge Bank Loan, which is a professional bank, and you can also get at least 1 million naira loan. So the interest rate is kind of like flexible and very low interest rate, you can see, and you can get a loan for up to 1 million with 12 months repayment terms, and you can see everything is intact there. So then you click on apply now. So once you click on apply now, you will be able to have access to every details that they ask from you before you can actually get a loan from easemoni. So you make sure you fill every details they ask from you so that you'll be able to get access to the loan you actually requested for. So once you input everything as well as your BVN, then you click on confirm. So you can also grant this credit report, which will check your credit report, and you if you do not repay, we will report the results to the credit bureau, which will affect your loan from other institutions. So you actually need to check this before you can actually proceed to the next section, so which is very, very important. So also make sure you read everything and make sure you agree to the terms and conditions before you proceed to borrow money from easemoni. So this is how you can actually get started, and you will be able to have access to easemoni-loan without you stressing yourself on finding the loan app from Google Play Store or from Google itself. So this is just the right way to get a loan as soon as possible. So if you have any question regarding this video, you can drop a comment and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as I will also be recording more video regarding finance and loan and how you can actually get money or loan at anywhere you are in Nigeria. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.